Guys, I'm cooking. I'm cooking steak. Medyo ang labo ng ice ko today. I don't know why. Ah! Ayan. Ayan. Guys, I'm cooking steak. Oh my gosh! Babe, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa'yo kung sino kasama ko kahapon. Lovely. Kasama ko na naman yung in-interview natin sa Staples kahapon, by the way. Ay, nakakairita. I'm cooking steak. Kasi merong isa dyan, sinabi na pupunta daw siya sa condo. Aw! Tapos kakain ng steak. Pero may ibang ginawa. Pero okay lang. Nagsabi naman siya na hindi siya makakapunta. Ow! That hurts. Fuck! Aaron! Sakit, fuck. Ang sakit! Ang sakit. Ang sakit. Guys. Hey guys. I'm hungover today. Dumating yung high school friends ko from the States. I mean, hindi ako nag-States, pero yung high school friends ko na nag-migrate ng States, sa States, dumating kahapon. So, syempre, uminom kami, catch up, ganun. So, I'm so hungover right now. Like, it's been a while. Napainom ako ng malala. I hate this feeling. I hate it. But, gotta power through. Hi, F. Gail Kalma. Hi, Rob Monster. Honestly, gusto ko mag-vent today. Pwede mo mag-vent ako sa inyo today. Like, pwede bang mag-vent today sa inyo? Naiirita ako. And I'm not because I'm on my period. Naiirita ako sa mga taong binibigyan natin ng mga chances, pero hindi naman nila deserve ang chance. Like, hindi nila deserve yung niceness. Nakakairita. Honestly, nakaka-trigger sila. You're trying to be a good person and, you know, do what's right. But, ano sila? Wala. Selfish lang sila. Sarili lang nila iniisip nila. How disappointing. I don't know if I should just let it go or just say one last message. But I know that saying that message is like an extension. An extension of another chance for them to make it right that could potentially be a cause of disappointment. Genuinely. But like, alam niyo yung sometimes you guys feel na parang you're just rooting for the person to do what's right. Kaya like, you give them chances. And like, this would probably be the third chance thus far. So I don't know, should I give it another go or just like let it go? Because like, when I do decide to let that issue go, like, wala na. Like, ang immature kasi ng ibang tao eh. Close mo po yung can para if masugat. Para di masugat mga... Oo nga. Sabi niya, i-close ko daw yung can para hindi masugat yung mga basarero. Oo nga, no? Hindi ko naisip yun. But yeah. Sometimes people are so disappointing. Like, sometimes they're so immature. And I'm not saying I'm 100% mature, but like, at least I know that I don't want to be. But like, you can't really force them to like mature. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I should give you guys the context. I'm cooking right now. That's why it's really hard to find one nowadays. Nakakadismaya, literal. Buti pa kayo literal. Like, hindi kayo nakakadismaya. Let me just put the rice out of the way. I'm so hungry. Like, I need rice today. Yung yaya ko, isa pa yun. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko sa kanya. Nag-day off siya. Ang request sa akin ng yaya ko, Ma'am, Saturday ng gabi po, kung pwede ako umalis. Kasi po, pag umaalis daw siya ng same day, dahil malayo, 3 hours yung nakakain sa oras niya. Kasi gusto niya mag-day off ng Sunday. So, sabi ko, sige, basta matapos mo lang yung trabaho mo, pwede ka nang umalis the night before. So, Saturday. Tapos sabi niya, babalik siya Monday. Ngayon, nag-text siya sa akin. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya babalik today. Bukas daw siya babalik. So, 2 days na yung day off niya. I don't know what to do with her. Like, she's not respecting time. I don't know. Tapos, yeah, she's just not respecting time. I don't know. Like, I really... Yeah. Another issue. Ang dami nating issues today. Monday na Monday, ang daming issue. But anyway, another issue that I do have is this one is kind of heavy. Honestly. Kaya deserve ko ng steak ngayon. Deserve ko ng steak. Thank you for telling me I'm pretty. This one is another issue I have. That's why it's hard to be nice because they take advantage of you. What you cooking? I'm cooking beef and mushroom steak. Okay na ba itong kanin ko? Parang kulang sa water. Needs more water. issue is, oh, but it's so draining to talk about this other issue. Let's just not get into specifics, but like, there's this person that, you know, apologized to me recently, and they said, I don't know, they've changed. Sabi niya, nagbago na daw siya, and he's not immature anymore, and not the same person anymore, blah, blah, blah. And then you give it a chance, right? You're like, okay, since there's communication, you guys speak to each other, give it a chance. Not a chance at anything romantic, but like just a chance to let that person in your life. Tapos, etong taong to, like, ako naging takbuhan niya pag may problema siya. Like, pag sad siya, or when feel niya hindi siya naiintindihan ng anyone. Like, people don't understand him, whatever. So, ako yung sa akin siya lumapit kasi like, nobody understands him daw but me. Right? And then, like, I became like a shoulder to cry on, or a person to like confide in, right? And I genuinely gave this person like good advice, like very like honest and good advice, because at the same time I am rooting for this person to be a better person. Just ewan ko, like, malambot lang puso ko sa kanya. Like, my heart goes to him in a way na parang I do wanna see this person change and be a better person for himself, not even for anyone else. So, I'm like, genuinely nice. So I'm like genuinely happy for this person and rooting for this person, and honestly, like, obviously you shouldn't just believe when people say they're gonna change, because like you have to see the actions, and like that's what I try to do. But malambot yung puso ko sa taong to eh, because ewan ko. And then I thought that because I was like a place where he could confide in, I thought that that's gonna be reciprocated. Like, there's decency of reciprocation. So there was one moment of weakness for me, that I reached out to the said person and tried to confide something to this person. And then this person did not respond. But the thing that I confided was like an issue in the past with me and this said person. And this person did not respond. And I'm like, okay, maybe this is such a sensitive topic for this person. Ang considerate, like, iniisip ko pa rin yung feelings ng person na to before, even though the reason why I confided is because like I'm actually like feeling emotional about something. So I was like, you know what? I know it's a sensitive topic. like, just talk to me about it when you're ready. But like, I just want to talk to you about this because like, just want the both of us to like feel better about this issue. And no response still. And then I reached out one last time. I was like, hey, I don't think I can be your friend because it's very one-sided. Like, when you wanted to confide with somebody, I was there for you, and you're not there for me at all. Like, I would anyway, so I said goodbye, right? And then no response, but it's fine. I already said goodbye. Like, my piece was to say goodbye, not to like do anything, like not for anything more. But then this person called me like 5 times, like 5 days later. And I'm like, okay, he repeatedly called, and I'm like, oh my god. Like, now he decides to call. Now he decides to communicate. I want to see it from both sides. So tell me what you guys think. Now he decides to, but I didn't pick up because I was like, I felt disrespected. Na parang I just needed some sort of response from like before, and then now you're gonna give me that response 5 days later. You didn't even have the audacity to say, hey, I'm not ready to talk about this right now. Like, wala. So I didn't pick up. It just didn't feel right to pick up and like to entertain. The parang it felt so unfair on my end. Na parang just felt so unfair. And then this sad person sent me a disappearing photo. Like, who does that? Who sends somebody a disappearing photo? Like, what is that? Like, why is there a disappearing photo? Like, I'm not so immature. Like, why does it have to disappear? Because you don't want me to read it, or you don't want me to have a copy, or you don't want proof that, like, you put your ego down? I genuinely don't know. Like, genuinely. And then I didn't open the disappearing photo because I'm like, I need a break from this person. Like, the dismissiveness is so disrespectful. Hi, Jem. Are you still here? Anyway, thank you, baby Blair. So anyway, the disrespect is just like insane. So I didn't open the disappearing photo because I'm like, there's just so much mind games, not picking up, not responding, trying to communicate, but like, no response. So I didn't open the disappearing photo. It would notify him anyways that I opened it. So like, I'm not there yet. I'm not there right now. And then 3-4 days later, I opened the disappearing photo. Update from the guy you met at BGC ba yun? Oh my god. I saw that guy yesterday again. Ang galing niya mag-Tagalog. The hell? Ang galing niya mag-Tagalog. Like, hindi... Ang galing niya mag-Tagalog, in fairness. I'm making beef and mushroom. I don't know if you guys see what I'm making. But yeah, that's what I'm making today. Because I'm hungry. I want something good. going back to the story, when I opened the disappearing photo, it was basically a screenshot. Like, it's so ridiculous thinking about it now. It was basically a screenshot of a message of something he wanted to say. This person did not want to send me a proper message. He wanted this message to disappear. So instead of like sending a normal message like a normal person, he then, like, I don't know, parang, basta naging screenshot niya yung message niya para maging photo, sinend sa akin para maging disappearing photo. Nagigets niyo ba? And then I'm like, oh my god, like, I cannot, my energy. And then I'm here like, although the context of the message, like, was substantial, I would say. Yung message niya is maayos. Pero the fact that it was like a disappearing message, like, oh my god, grow up, dude. But I get it, like, probably this person did not trust me enough to send me a message. He probably felt, I don't know, he couldn't trust me. And he did say in that message, I don't feel like I can trust you given like the past, blah blah blah. I get it. But like, his message was very substantial. Yeah, I know, it's so childish. Although his message was very substantial, like, okay yung laman ng message. So, dahil I wanted to consider this person's feelings, nag-open up siya dun sa message, sabi niya na please be patient with me, blah blah blah. Like, basically something that I would have wanted to hear when I opened up and confided. Na parang, I'm not ready to talk about it. Ganon. Yun naman yung ginusto ko yung marinig. Like, okay, I will set my feelings aside, whatever. So, itong taong to, he sent a very substantial message. Then I responded to it. I said, like, I guess it's my fault for expecting that like, you would treat me the way I treated you. Like, if you needed I just genuinely needed a person to confide in, and you were that person that I wanted to confide in because, like, I trust you, confiding with that issue. And at the same time, it is an issue about you, and I don't want to talk to it to other people because I don't, it's just our business. And then I even said, I don't wanna ignore you deliberately. I'd rather like communicate with you. Basta ganun yung context ng message ko. Guess what? Hindi nag-reply na naman. And fine. Anong ginawa pa is, blinak pa ako in everything. Like, it's so disappointing because this person said that they've changed. They're more mature now, but like, his actions are just not backing that up. And I'm at a point where I cannot give, like, alam ko magsisisi tong taong to. Like, alam kong magsisisi tong taong to na ang childish niya, like, the way na nag-reach out to. Magsisisi siya, pero I'm at a place na the next time na magsisi ka and mag-sorry ka sa akin and mag-reach out ka, hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kayang patawarin ka because like, enough is enough. Yeah, exactly. Like, hindi na kita kayang, like, even as friends, yun lang naman rin yung gusto ko eh, like as friends, because like, maraming napagsamahan and all of that. And honestly, for me, I was in such good place. Like, I was even upset at him for how things ended. I was even mad, but now I feel a little bit mad because like, we were friends at this point, you know? Like, we decided to be friends. Being in a relationship is difficult. Being in a relationship is complicated. But this time we chose friendship. And even as friends, there's complications like this. Like, I don't know. It's so disappointing on my end because like in the future when this person does, you know, regret it and reach out again, I just can't. And it's also disappointing that I have to truly accept the fact that this person may not be capable of change. This person may change in the future, but like, I can never in this lifetime witness that because there's just too much disrespect at this point. You get what I'm saying? And like, honestly, it pains my heart. It genuinely pains my heart that like, I have to accept the fact that this person is incapable of change. And I will never be able to witness it. And be happy for this person. Na parang, oh, you changed, I knew you could do it. Like, wala. Because I just have to cut it off. Okay, what are your thoughts? Okay, here's where I'm at. I don't know if I should even send one last message and be like, at some, like, alam niyo yung feeling na parang you just want to parent the person na parang you want to tell them na, kasi I really do know what's gonna happen. This person's gonna regret it. I want to say na parang, I know you're gonna regret this in the future, and like, I'm trying to help you. Like, being dismissive is not gonna serve you or anyone here. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Yeah, I don't think I should. Ang sad lang. Na hindi siya nagbago. And I knew, like, hindi naman ako naniniwala when he was saying na nagbago na siya. But I don't know now. I feel like I did believe. Because like right now, like I wouldn't be feeling like this if I didn't believe. Alam mo yun? Bakit ang tagal niyang naluto? Lagyan natin ng konting oil. Higit no, kagaya ng oil ko. Ang niluluto ko is Beef and mushroom. I want something savory. Nigyan ko ng honey. Ayan. Nakikita niyo ba yung niluluto ko? How disappointing. Hello. I'm cooking beef and mushroom. If you are in a situation po na in a relationship but involved friends then hindi ka pinili, ano gagawin mo po? Let it go. Honestly, something I did realize in life, stop holding on to things that aren't gonna hold on to you. Literally. Yun lang. Life is so much more easier if like you have the power of walking away. Like walk away if it doesn't serve you. Guys, pag nag-live ba ako sa TikTok, manonood kayo. Gusto ko sa TikTok na lang mag-live. For yum. It smells so good. I'm gonna add oregano and cayenne pepper. I love spicy. Ibig sabihin daw ba nun, if between our relationship, mas nagmahal ako kaysa dun sa pinili ng parents? No. No, it doesn't mean that way. Like, it doesn't mean na mas nagmahal ka. It means that, okay, put yourself in this other person's shoe. And probably, you did that. The reason why you're upset is because you expected, like, what would you do if ikaw yung nasa position nila? You would have chosen the other person, right? Kaya ka disappointed. But you have to understand, people are different from each other. Like, their minds work so differently. But it doesn't feel that they don't feel the same way. That's just their logical thinking. So, yes, if ikaw yung nasa position niya, siguro pinili mo siya. But, it doesn't mean na dahil hindi ka niya pinili. Like, there are things in your life na, good morning, there are things in your life na, okay, example. There are other situations in your life na pipiliin mo and other people are gonna question you na bakit yun yung pinili mo. Gets mo? Let's say not specifically itong relationship issue na to. Other things in your life. Like your friend. Oh, hindi mo ako sinamahan. Pinili mo, hindi mo ako sinamahan. Like, you don't care about me. That's not true. You care about your friend. It's just that, like, may other thing ka lang na kailangan piliin. And that goes the same way with this person na pinili yung parents. Like, family must mean so much to him. And it doesn't mean, and like, choosing his family over you must be, like, painful for him. But, like, he had to make that decision. But it does not mean that he did not love you. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, people make decisions, but I think it's a coping mechanism to say na dahil ito yung ginawa niya, hindi niya ako minahal. Do you get it? Like, it's not as easy as like 1 + 1 equals 2. I don't know if I'm making sense to you, but yeah. Tagal naman matulong ng cheese. But yeah, I hope I am. Gutom na ako. That's good. It needs salt. I'm so hungry. Ang galing. I like your advice po talaga. So smart, I guess. Yes! Mag-move on ka. Ano sabi niya? Ang galing. I like your advice po talaga. So smart, I guess mag-move forward na lang po ako. Yes! Magbenta ka kaya ng mga masarap mong niluluto. Yes, mag-move on ka. Wala ka ng ibang magagawa kung hindi mag-move on. Like if you genuinely love this person, move on for him and move on for yourself. Like do not embarrass yourself and humiliate yourself. It is never worth it. It's not worth it, you know? Nilagyan ko ng butter para buttery siya. Like isang slice ng butter. But yeah, I'm done. Gusto niyo ba makita? Beef and mushroom. At the end of it, you want to choose people that choose you. Yun lang din yun. I'm so excited. Wala nang presentation. Gutom na ako. Huh? I don't know you personally, but yung words mo show how articulate you are. Thank you. I'm actually smart. Like, I don't know if it's obvious. I feel like being a pilot helps. Being a pilot helps me look smart, but like, I'm actually smart. I just like all my life, honor student ako. Except na lang if my conduct is bad. Yun lang yung exception. Let's eat together, guys. After nito, I'm gonna go to work. Let's taste it. Steam beef.
Mm. That's good. Mm. That's really good. Hi, Aya. Cuñedo. Parang hawig niyo po si Kylene Alcantara. Thank you. I told her that before. And then she asked her boyfriend at the time, yung Mavi ba yun? Basta, yung maputing guy. Kung if he thinks it's true. And they couldn't see it. Anyway, bye guys.